Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You have something special, the ability to turn a blank page into something amazing. But let's be honest, some days that blank page just stares at you like an unpaid bill. And self-doubt whispers, maybe today, you should just be a potato. I get it. I've had days where my sketches look like a science experiment gone wrong. I've drawn hands that resemble overcooked sausages or faces that unintentionally look like goblins. And anatomy so broken, it could be used as a what not to do tutorial. But you know what? That's the process. That's how you grow. Every masterpiece starts as a messy sketch. Every great artist yet, even the ones you admire, has had their fair share of drawings that mysteriously disappeared before anyone could see them. The difference between improving and staying stuck, you keep going. And if you're running low on motivation, that's what caffeine is for. Seriously, if coffee or tea have ever fueled a last-minute art session, you already know. Sometimes creativity needs a jump start. No judgment if you've ever stared at your drawing at 3 a.m. sipping coffee like it's a life force, wondering why that one eye looks so cursed. Art isn't about perfection. It's about expression, passion, and persistence. So don't let fear win. Don't let frustration stop you. And don't let that one bad sketch convince you that you've lost all your skills overnight. If today's drawing doesn't turn out, that's okay. Every artist has off days. What matters is that you show up and keep creating. Laugh at the mistakes. Learn from them and try again tomorrow. Struggling with anatomy, we all have. Even the greatest artists once had to figure out how to make limbs look less like spaghetti. Growth comes from pushing through the challenges. One sketch, one stroke, one step at a time. So pick up that pencil, tablet, or whatever you create with. Keep drawing, keep experimenting, and keep believing in yourself. Because every masterpiece starts with a single line, and you are on your way there. Your art has the power to inspire, to move, and to tell stories. Only you can share. Keep creating, keep pushing forward, and never let doubt silence your creativity.